drive or we can just watch. We don't have to rush, we can just stop. We don't have to move, we can just lay. We can hold each other, listen to the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. I heard you wash away the day. I wanna stay in this moment a little longer before we wander the domains of the astral planes. And that's why I think I've seen you before. You're the girl of my dreams. Rainstorm, rainstorm, don't pass me by. I hope at least you say hi, 'cause you're worth more than the sky. Rainstorm, rainstorm, don't pass me by. I hope at least you say hi, 'cause you're worth more than the sky. Left the window open, let the petrol core, and I was really hoping you wanted to make this way more often. I mean, like maybe get some breakfast when we wake up in the morning. Then we talk about the autumn or living by the ocean. Like, my God, what are you doing to me? It's so easy, you know what I love, and I just wanna be your number one, baby. Hit a shopping spree, plan a trip to Italy, hitting 6 digits while sailing all 7 seas. I just want a house that no one else can see, no one else can find, so we can just be fragment on my SB. I got lightning on my feet, call me Barry Allen, 'cause you can't even match my speed. You can't even match my hustle, you can't match the quality. The rainstorm's passing, maybe it's time to go to sleep. Sleep, sleep.